Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. In this video I will tell you about relief package. Prime Minister Shehbaz announced fixed tax exemption for retailers and to FCA for 17 million people. Before starting the video I will request you to please subscribe my channel Apna Punjab and press bell icon so you can receive notification of our upcoming and interesting videos. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif addressing nation from Qatar on August 23, 2022. Fixed tax exception to create tax gap of Rs 42 billion. Prime Minister say coalition government cannot add further pressure on small traders. Agriculture consumer will also be exempt from FCA amounts. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif on Tuesday announced a major relief package for the inflation-burdened nation, under which fixed tax have been abolished for retailers and more than 1.7 million people will now be exempt from fuel charges adjustment on electricity bills. Addressing the nation from Qatar, where he arrived today on a two-day trip, the Premier said that fixed taxes were imposed on the people in the federal budget for the fiscal year 2022 and 2023, announced on June 10, against the intention of the coalition government. I have formed a committee to review the fixed tax imposed on the retailers, he said. The move will translate into a tax gap of Rs 42 billion, but Prime Minister Shehbaz said that the coalition government cannot add further pressure on small traders. In a press conference last week, Minister for Finance Mufta Ismail said that the coalition government aimed to collect Rs 42 billion through retail taxes. However, after the tax exception, it will no longer be able to meet the target. Ismail revealed that the revised target is now Rs 27 billion to meet the gap which will created by the exception of fixed taxes on small traders. The government is imposing a further tax of Rs 36 billion on the tobacco industry, he said. Addressing the backlash received in the last 2 days regarding inflated electricity bills, the Prime Minister announced that the coalition government, after intense discussions with the International Monetary Fund (IMF), has decided to exempt 17.1 million people from paying excessive amount charged under fuel charges adjustment for the month of July and August. We have been working on the fuel charges adjustment case for last 5 days and we have decided to exempt a major chunk of the population from these charges. However, we are yet to take a decision regarding the 13 million people falling under the category of people who consume more electricity, he said. He added that agriculture consumer with two wells will also be exempt from the fuel charges adjustment amounts. The announcement by the Prime Minister follows necessary amendments to relevant tax laws and the President note. On Monday, President Dr. Arif Alvi signed the Tax Law Second Amendment, Ordinance 2022. According to a statement issued by the President Office, Dr. Alvi gave the approval to the ordinance on the advice of the Prime Minister under Article 1889(1) of the Constitution. Under the ordinance, the amendments have been made to the Sale Tax Act 1990, Income Tax Ordinance 2001, Federal Excise Act 2005 and Finance Act 2022. Thank you viewers for watching our video. So for more updates, please subscribe our channel Apna Punjab.